the word approval,
Yes, Madam.
approved projects, has no other meaning.
We-
Which part of approved projects is confusing?
We apologize for that, Madam. But insofar as the accomplishment of the Climate Change Commission, Madam, we
Give me a list then. Not
Yes.
an approved project, but show me something.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
am I supposed to defend this na wala akong makitang matino?
yes, ma'am, we
Puro
provide the,
kapulastugan eh.
We
Lista kayo ng lista eh. Napuntahan lang pala ninyo. Ako din, napuntahan ko rin yung Rizal Kalinga. Napuntahan ko rin ang Claver. At napuntahan ko ang Sarangani at Eastern Samar. Taga doon kami eh. Eh
Yes.
wala namang project doon eh.
yes, Madam.
Eh ba't natin lilinlangin ang taong bayan? At bakit kayo bibigyan ng budget? Ba't ninyo sasabihin approved project? Hindi naman pala totoo. Aasahan niya ng madla. Aasahan niya ng mga waray. Aasahan ng mga ilonggo. Ba't naman kayo ganyan?
Madam Chair, if I may be allowed to clarify po, we did not list those projects under the approved LGU proposals. There may have been a confusion or
No, it's not a
miscommunication.
confusion. Ay.
Ma'am, in our copy po, it's only a separate chapter
No,
of the
but in-
other LGU.
Eh, kanina nga,
Proposals, ma'am,
yung mga
yung-
kulang pa ng financing document.
Yes,
Kasi
ma'am,
sabi
tama
lang
po
ni
yun.
Director, mag-usap kaya kayo, hindi kayo nagkakapareho ng sagot.
Ma'am, parang
Kasi
pareho
sabi
po,
lang
we
niya,
just
yung isang
compared.
batch, pending financial documentation.
Correct, ma'am.
Eto,
Opo.
pending everything. Hindi pa
Yes, ma'am.
nakikita ng board. Eh, tigilan niya yung paglilista ng mga hindi pa tapos. Ano ba? Anyway, sa madaling sabi, wala kayong project. Oh, 32.2% out of the 2024 million budget, only 32% was obligated. And even less was disbursed. What's the reason for this hapless obligation and disbursement rates? Kasi 65.9 million lang ang nagastos sa 204. Pwede bang umuwi na? Nakakapagod. Po, bakit hindi nakakapag-disburse?
Madam Chair,
Alam nyo, Director Narag, nag-a-approve kayo ng higit sa budget ninyo, samantalang yung disbursement and obligation rate ninyo nasa 32%. Taga-DOF ka. Is this responsible financial management?
Madam Chair, all the LGUs are also complying with the DBM
No, they're
policies in
No,
terms of
they're not.
SARO
You're
and
at
CA.
32%, dear.
Chair, I think it's the process really is delegated to the LGUs in terms of how they would do the procurement, comply with the work and financial plan. So while we're able to secure in
Anong
advance,
apog ninyo humingi pa ng karagdagang budget na ganito nga yung disbursement rate?
Chair, the budget for those approved, meaning per definition of the board, per the approval of the board.
Hindi ito project. Nasa ibang topic na ako, sumurrender na ako sa approved. Kasi linilito lang ninyo kami na hindi kami makapagbasa ng approved project. Kaya lumaktaw na ako sa ibang topic. Nasa topic na tayo sa inyong budget ng 2024. Sa available appropriation ng 204 million sa CCC, ang naobliga lang is 65.956 million or 32.2%. The submission derives from your office. I am merely parroting what you were given my office. Alam mo, bigay ko na lang yung mga tanong sa inyo kasi napapagod na ako na nangyayari sa buhay natin. Wala kayong sagot sa lahat ng tanong.
Madam Chair, I said earlier we had the updated record at
Well
September
then, how much have you
18.
spent so far? What, if you are contesting the amount of
Uh,
65 million, how much have you spent of the 204?
As of September 15, Madam Chair, it's 56.4%, which is 5% higher.
I wouldn't
compared
be, I
to-
wouldn't be proud of that. You
We're,
have one single quarter left,
that's also
and you have
because
almost of your budget to go?
Based on last year, Madam Chair, we are 5% higher, but traditionally the programs and projects of CCC are at the latter end, second half of the year.
We are in the second half
Yes,
of
Madam
the
Chair.
year.
So we're rolling
We
out.
only have 1 quarter left. Can you submit that and tell me how you're going to spend your entire budget and thereafter ask for more money having not spent your budget? Ano
Certainly,
pa?
Madam Chair.
Taon-taon ganito tayo, no? Your proposed budget by cost structure, the budget for general administration and support is 67.19 or almost 70% is overhead. Tapos yung operations na may overhead rin ay nasa 37.5%. Ibig sabihin, lahat sahod. Kaya wala tayong project dahil lahat ng gastos napupunta sa sahod, biyahe, gastos at iba pa. Can somebody answer? 67.19% is general administration gas support. The budget for operations is 37.5%. Kaya nga, this is very clear. This makes it very clear why we have no projects. You're just paying yourselves. Any explanation? Wala rin. Okay. So may I have a breakdown of your gas account because your PS alone is 77%. Alam ninyo, sa LGU, kanina pa yung CC ninyo sa LGU, hanggang 42% lang ang gasto sa PS. Kayo namamayagpag sa halos 80% or double of the allowable total average. You're supposed to enhance LGU capacity. How can you ever do this given your budget structure consisting almost entirely of sweldo?
If I may, we're getting support through SICA. We're also getting support
Through?
from our SICA
Through what?
congressional. Congress introduced change in a
I don't know.
change,
If you don't know, I don't know.
and apart from that,
What did you say? From
SICA po,
congressional
congressional-
insertions? From where?
congressionally introduced changes or adjustments, or SICA, Madam Chair, for certain projects that we have.
But you
We're
cannot
also,
possibly justify this.
Madam
Puro
Chair,
sahod lang kayo. Paano kayo mag-enhance ng anumang capacity ni sino man?
um,
Liit-liit ng, ang liit-liit ng